We have a simple app here called Mock Step Counter that we use to learn about state and recomposition. So here we are simulating step counting. So when the user is running, by clicking this floating action button, we are incrementing the step by 10. And if it's walking, we update the icon to walk and the border to a thicker gray, and we increment by 5. And if user drinks water, nothing happens, but when they eat an apple, we increment the calorie by 30, increment the calorie by 100 when they eat pizza, and by 5 if they drink coffee, by tapping any of these buttons. And we can clear the state by clicking on this S. So this is a simple mock app to demonstrate state. In Compose, state is any observable that can hold data, and data is what the app is displaying. When there is a change in the value of that data, Compose will redraw itself. That process is called recomposition, and that is the topic of today's lesson.